All right, it's Big C. It's Friday night. We're going to go ahead with our museum collection break that ended last night. It just turned 9/18, Friday, April 13th. So here we go with the sign-up sheet. 2012 museum collection baseball box break ending 4/12, and this was a sellout. And I really like this stuff. I know I said in the last video, but I do like it. I think it's some really neat stuff. And actually, it's tougher and tougher to find. I had a case of it, and I opened 3 boxes, and I put 3 boxes on, and it's really getting tough to find this stuff. And there we have it. I do have boxes. I believe next week Gypsy Queen comes out, so I will have those on. So keep an eye out for those. And we'll go ahead and do the museum collection. So, open this up. And there will be 4 mini boxes out. And we'll take those out, then I'll open those all up. And they're always in there so tight. There's 1, 2, 3, and 4, empty box. And we'll go ahead and do each one of these. Let me just go ahead and cut them. There's pack 1. Pack 2. And pack 4. Put those away. See if I can tell which ones are the thick ones. We'll save till the end. Actually, it's hard to say. I know this one is thin. I don't know if it has redemption in it or not, but here we go. We'll pull the back one up. We got Bob Gibson, $1.99 for the Cardinals. That's CAJE. Then we have Mark Teixeira for the Yankees. That's Rickster, 33. Tim Lincecum for the Giants. That's FW Bubba. And it is a redemption. Yeah, it is a redemption. Then you have Jacob Ellsbury for the Red Sox. That is RFP Junior 1613. And an archival autograph of CC Sabathia. And that would go to the Yankees, which is Rickster. So you don't, so it's not bad. I don't see too many CC autograph. Boy, the Yankees hot box here. Joe DiMaggio, Yankees, $1.99. To the Rickster. We got Ryan Zimmerman for the Nationals, Larry's Cards. We got Jarrett Weaver for the Angels, which is CAJE. We have Clayton Kershaw for the Dodgers, and that would be RFP Junior 1613. And an Ian Kinsler primary pieces for the Rangers, and the Rangers are JT 7190. So let's see, one of these, I think that last one's a little thicker. Like I say, I don't know. I don't know. Alright, we got Justin Upton for Arizona, which is Larry's Cards. We got Eddie Murray for the Orioles, which is RFP Junior 1613. Albert Pujols for the Angels, which is CAJE. Matt Kemp for the Dodgers, which is RFP Junior 1613. Carl Yastrzemski is for the Red Sox, which is RFP Junior 1613. And a Prince Fielder Jumbo. 33 out of 35. And that would be to the Brewers because he is in a Brewers uniform. And that would go to Marquette Monkey, I guess. So that's kind of neat. So this one should be a autograph patch. Okay, we'll pull this up. It is red tinted. I don't know what that means. Could be Reds, Phillies, Cardinals, Angels, I guess. Carlos Gonzalez for the Rockies, which would be Old's Outlaws. Starlin Castro for the Cubs, which is 4185 Richard. Buster Posey for the Giants, FW Bubba. And a museum canvas collection for the Yankees. It's been a good Yankees box. Rickster. That's Boston. I'll just say that was numbered. Daniel Bard for the Boston Red Sox, 42 out of 235. And that would be RFP Junior 1613. A little bit of a patch there. Not much, but I really like these cards. I think they're pretty sharp. So, alright guys, there you have it. So keep checking them out. Big C 2014. I appreciate it. And thanks a lot, guys.